Be aware of the air that you breathe. And be aware that you're being breathed. And open to a heaping dose of relief. That there is something beyond you. And see if you can just rest there a minute. Even with the chatter of the mind and the unrest of various parts of ourselves. If you can make a space for all of it this morning. To let it be. A student once asked a master teacher, "When will I reach enlightenment?" And the teacher said, "When you stop polishing the lamp and realize that you are the light." We awaken this morning to the reality of the light that is within us, the very breath that is breathing us, that which is seeing us, that which is expressing us, that which whispers, "Take pause. Do less of that. That's hurting you. Do more of this." The voice that encourages us toward liberation, toward freedom. Spiritual awakening and deepening is devotion to that. To that voice, to that light. And to be and express that in our families, in our communities, in our neighborhoods, in our marriages. In our expression, in our creations. So as we pause and take a minute of silence, I ask you to ask you, what in you is awakening? What in your spirit is inviting you to let go or to go deeper? We listen. today, right here, right now, we make a new choice. We allow that wise, faithful, loving, strong, powerful, certain, imaginative, creative, innovative, resilient part of us to lead. We step forward in this spring, in this time of renewal, purposeful, coming forth just like spring comes forth. The new way of being, new life, new order, and an absolute equipping of us to be who we have come here to be. That we are appointed to this time that we're in as a divine appointment, and that we have been equipped for it and are further equipping ourselves to it, for it, toward it, through our own devotions, through our own spiritual practices, and through our own conscious awakenings, realignment, atonement. And we begin again this morning. So be it.